What can you say? The beach. Cool. Alright. How about Mayang? Mayang, what can you say?
This is so crazy.
Yeah. How about you, Celine? Papay. Alright. Si Kat Kat. Aha. Grabe. Alright, say bye-bye. See you later. Celine! Celine! Bata! Celine! Bata! Shh, Celine! Celine! Lakas na pala kasi ang alon na ito. Celine! Celine! Idol, ganito kaganda ang Bolong. Makakalain mo naman, oh, it's sandy. Marami rin pupunta dito, idol. Affordable. Imagine mo, 250 lang yung cottage. Pag whole day, 300. Ganito, idol, oh. Ayan. Ito yung tinatagong yaman ng Zamboanga City. Bolong Beach! Alright. This is just a 30 minutes coming from Zamboanga City. So, marami kang pwedeng gawin dito mga idol, no? Island hopping, of course, at yung floating cottage, right? You can also check my previous vlog. This is Parito saying, Happy Sunday, everyone! Kit Kat! Kit Kat! Ganitong oras sa idol, mga alas 2, no? Kaya Ondel Kwan, paalo na siya. So, marami ng mga bata na-enjoy na nila magtampisaw, idol. Yan. Ganito ang Zamboanga, marami kang mapupuntahan.